To remove the headlight, loosen the front grille by undoing these screws using a 10mm socket and a Phillips head screwdriver. To remove the headlight, unscrew these 3 bolts. Unplug the connector by pressing the upper safety pin and pull it out. Now you can remove the headlight from the car. Also unplug this connector. Press the side safety pin and pull it out. Place the headlight on a soft surface so you don't scratch it. Now you can start installing the headlight back on the car. Place all the bolts into position and start tightening them. This was my video. For any questions, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer all of you. Thank you.